doing it. First you put a nail and then you take it out. Okay, when you're putting the nail, basically you're making the way for the actual nail that belongs in there with the plastic base. Okay, he's going to be holding it like that. That way you can just put it back in without risking it not going straight. So now you see, now it's got the base, it's got the extension. Now our vacuum cleaners are going to be able to go under this couch without a problem. And also, if for whatever reason we need to slide this couch, it's not going to hurt the floor. So this is great. There are our vacuum cleaners, and one was named by my granddaughter, and the name of that vacuum cleaner is Lily. And the other vacuum cleaner was named by my grandson, and that one there is called Panchito. And by the way, that's not their names, you know. They just named these vacuum cleaners like that. And these vacuum cleaners are the Deebot M80 PRO, okay? And they can actually vacuum the floor, and they can actually mop the floor. And they do a great job, I can tell you guys that. They have an application, they have a remote control, that can be used, and they just do a really good job. Now these couches are set up, okay? The front of the couch was high enough where the vacuum cleaner was able to go in there, but then the back side was kind of low, so that's why we added that extension. Now they can actually go in there and clean non-stop every single night, and we don't have to worry about the vacuum cleaners getting stuck under the couches. The first vacuum, Lily, she starts at 4 o'clock in the morning every single night, and then Panchito will start, Lily starts at 2 o'clock, and Panchito will start at 4 o'clock. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a good night. Bye.